Hi everyone, I'm Kaitlyn Plastino, and today I'm going to be talking to you about variable note structure and diel song rate found in the Connecticut Warbler's extended song type. So the Connecticut Warbler is a wood warbler that breeds in the boreal forest from eastern BC to western Quebec with southern boundaries of northern Michigan, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Now this bird is quite difficult to study and is considered to be one of the least studied songbirds in all of North America. And this is because it likes to nest in remote areas and thick underbrush and is just in general very elusive. Despite this, we found that it has a newly discovered extended song. So there are various ways to classify wood warbler repertoires, and we're most interested in the song system type exhibited by the following genera. So this song system includes primary songs and extended songs, also called flight songs. Primary songs are thought to function for mate attraction and territory defense, and just in general are all-purpose. They're usually sung throughout the dawn and the dawn chorus and throughout the day. Extended songs, on the other hand, are thought to be used for high-intensity encounters. So, for example, territorial intrusions and interactions with females. It's also thought to be potentially an alarm call. So, for example, common yellowthroats give extended alarm calls when humans are present in their territory. Extended songs are usually sung during low light conditions or during the night. However, there's quite a large literature gap here, and the only two studied species that have extended songs, studied in depth anyway, are the Ovenbird and the common yellowthroat. So similar to the Ovenbird, we're predicting that the Connecticut Warbler will have extended song note structure that's variable both within and among individual males. And we're also predicting that Connecticut Warbler primary songs will occur most frequently during dawn and morning, and extended songs will occur most frequently at evening and dusk. So 159 autonomous recorders deployed by Environment and Climate Change Canada in 2012 and 2016 in Northwestern Ontario. So these recorders recorded from June 1st to early July for 2 to 2.5 hours before sunrise, for 5.5 to 6.5 hours. And then on the same day, 30 minutes before sunset for 2 to 3.5 hours. So we at Algoma University received all recorders that were flagged positive for Connecticut warblers. And I used a total of 10 locations for my own study, which yielded 11 individual males. So from these recordings, we had the first 5 days and nights and scanned them and annotated them for both primary and extended songs in Seiurus. And after 5 days, we took these recordings and scanned them for days and nights for extended songs only. So you can see here that this is a primary song from individual 1129. And this is an extended song from the same individual. And its structure here consists of call notes, the primary segment, and also additional notes. So extended songs were characterized using letter codes. So you can see here that syllables with the same type of shape and frequency were given the same letter code. So this is D prime. And a song versatility index was calculated for each extended song, which I'll show you in a second. Primary and extended song rates were calculated for dawn, morning, evening, and dusk. So this is just an example of song versatility index. So SVI is calculated by the number of unique syllables divided by the total number of syllables within the song. So the number of unique syllables here is 9. And the total number of syllables in the song is 14. And that gives us a value of 0.64 on a scale of 0 to 1, with 1 being the most versatile and 0 being the least. So for song versatility, we found that there's significant variation in song versatility index values within and between individuals. So for example, you can see that individual 1129 has song versatility index values ranging from 0.3 all the way up to 0.9. And the average of song versatility index values is quite variable within all of our individual males. As for diel song rate, we found that primary songs were performed most frequently at dawn and least often at dusk, with dawn and dusk being statistically significant from each other, and also morning and dusk being statistically significant from each other. And then extended songs were performed most frequently in the evening and rarely in the morning, with all times of day being statistically significant from each other apart from dawn and dusk. So the results of the song versatility index indicate that there's variation in song structure between and within individuals. So this could be that there's song versatility is an indication of signaler quality. So for example, individuals with larger repertoires are better at territory defense against newcomers, or maybe the preferred mates among females. We also found that there's syllable sharing. So that could indicate that parts of the song may be actually learned from their neighbors. So in the future, it would be great to study how song versatility can compare with song length to make further assumptions about how individuals may vary their song features. So for example, Paul et al. In 2020 found a negative relationship between versatility and song length in Ovenbirds. So this relationship may be due to trade-offs between vocal features. So for example, it's difficult to sing a song that's both long and versatile at the same time. And so this also emphasizes how individuals behave plastically. Primary songs sung frequently at dawn are likely used for mate attraction and or territory defense, like we've established previously, and this is just known from the literature surrounding primary songs. And evening extended songs may suggest that performing before the dusk chorus reduces attenuation and competition. So during the dusk chorus, there's like quite a bit of noise, whether that be from other conspecifics, other birds, other species in general, like maybe frogs. And so singing during this time, like I said, reduces attenuation and competition. So they're broadcasting a lot louder and a lot easier. We also think potentially that this could advertise an individual's location, which may be important for extra pair fertilizations. However, we don't actually know whether or not this species engages in extra pair copulations. So it would be quite important to know that in the future anyway. So further studying of extended songs and context is needed. So it would be important to know whether or not, or under which circumstances these birds are singing extended songs. So are they fending off other male intruders? Are they in close proximity to females? So from this, we can gain a better understanding of extended song function. We also make valid contributions to the study of the song type. So like I said previously, the Ovenbird and the common yellowthroat are the two most studied species for extended songs. And so adding another species of wood warblers to this list is quite great. And also we highlight the value of environmental recordings created for survey purposes. So this was actually used for breeding bird surveys. So it's great to have that data available to us, and we can find a lot of interesting and new things. So novel vocalizations are still waiting to be discovered. Thank you. I'd like to thank Lauren Febrero and Jake Alfonso for data scanning, Kevin C. Hanna from Environment and Climate Change Canada for providing data, and of course, Dr. Jennifer Foote from Algoma University for being a wonderful supervisor. Thank you.